He wasn't like the other kids.
Remote control.
TV mattered. Nothing else did.
Remote control.
Girl said yes. Denise said
No. Remote control.
Now he's got his own game show.
Remote control.
And now, it's his basement, his rules, his game show. The Quizmaster 72 Whooping Goblin, Ken Ober.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Happy Mardi Gras, everyone. You know, Colin, Susan, and Steve Neville on keyboard. Thanks. Yeah, we're coming to you live from New Orleans. And it's Mardi Gras. I will have a great time. Now, I want to meet our contestants over here. Dave goes to Tulane. He plays basketball. Say hello to Dave. In the middle, Tim. Tim goes to Tulane. He plays basketball. On the end, say hello to Mitch. He goes to Tulane. He bets on basketball. Now, oh, I thought maybe I'd eaten my question. Here it is. No! Here it is. All right. Here we go. This is for control of the game and for some black and red fish. Here we go for 5 points. After playing fish on Barney Miller, Abe Vigoda, got his own show called what? Mitch.
Fish.
Yes! Mitch will have control when we come back to play remote control, so don't go anywhere. Happy Mardi Gras. The Big Zenith. Questions, answers, overpriced food. Mitch, go ahead. You're in control.
Okay, Ken, I'm going to take Channel 2.
Yeah. Channel 2. Time once again to visit with the most stupidest fresh homie on the block, DJ Jazzy Flip and the French Prince.
I met this movie actress and she looked real depressed. She hadn't had a biggest since she first got possessed. So she post stark naked and that's no poop. She'll always be remembered for throwing up pea soup. Word, 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 word.
Who's the actress he's rapping about, Mitch?
Linda Blair.
Yeah, Linda Blair.
Yeah, Ken, let's keep them on. Channel 2, DJ.
I was chilling I was flying the Champs-Élysées, saw a hot little number with Once on Happy Days. I said, you're a sexy babe, let's make it more. She screamed for chops, she messed my face, bounced my head on the floor. Word, 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 word.
Name that actress, Mitch.
Erin Moran.
Yes, Erin Moran, 15 points.
Okay, Ken, let's go to channel number 9.
Channel 9. 30-something. That's what I charge for swordfish. 5 points. He's hairy. Wears glasses. I am so sensitive. Someone ought to shove his face in the toilet. Name this toothy college professor on 30-something. Tim.
Elliot.
No. Mitch.
Gary.
Gary, right. Played by Peter Horton.
Channel number 6.
Channel 6. I just can't stop eating.
Remember the real Mardi Gras last year when you got into the fight with the bouncer?
Let's not talk about it, shall we?
With an unnamed female employee of MTV?
Shut up.
The truth.
Political pinheads, 5 points. How many months elapsed between the wedding of Ron and Nancy Reagan, you're really in the spirit, and the birth of their first child? Tim.
0.
No. Mitch.
5.
No. Dave.
6.
Oh, so close, but no cigar. 7 months. But you get the point. Okay.
Let's stay with the pinheads.
Okay, stay with political pinheads. 10 points. How do fat people see? Here we go, 10 points. Name the Massachusetts senator who took Mary Jo Kopechne scuba diving. Mitch.
Ed Kennedy.
Ed Kennedy, right, 10 points.
Yeah, Ken, let's close out those pinheads.
All right, Mitch, he spoke with a vengeance. Mitch, you like black and red fish?
Yeah.
$45 at my place. Okay, here we go. 15 points. Which part of George Washington's anatomy was stolen from the Smithsonian? Mitch.
His wig.
No.
His teeth.
His teeth, right there.
Yeah,
15 points.
the king. Yeah. I'm on the board.
Excuse me, that's the queen of Mardi Gras, Queen Latifah, my mother. Oh, yes, queen.
Can you have your Cajun jester singing some Bowie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do it.
He doesn't know any Neville brothers, so we'll have to settle for this. 10 points, sing the next line of this Bowie song.
1, 2. I wish I could swim. Swim. Like the dolphins that swim.
Yeah.
For nothing. Nothing will keep us together. We can beat them. Forever and ever. And we can be heroes.
That is Mitch.
Just for one day.
Sing it.
Just for one day.
A lot of difference. Okay, 10 points. Hey, you know what I noticed? When you're fat, you're a lot more sarcastic to people. Here we go, 15 points.
Like in New Orleans at the real Mardi Gras.
Shut up! It's 15 points. Sing the next line of this Romantics hit.
What I like about you, you hold me tighter. Tell me I'm the only one wanna go over tonight. Don't whisper it in my ear. Tell me all the things that I wanna hear, 'cause that's true.
What I like about you.
Dave, 15 points.
Sorry, though.
All right. That is the end of our first round proper. We've got some coins for you. 55, that's Mitch. 35, that's Dave. And Dippo with Tim. We'll be back to play round 2 as this Mardi Gras continues. And the survivor takes home this stuff.
Whether you sing, rap, or shout, Lone Star Sing-A-Lodeon makes you a one-man recording studio. Sing along with your favorite hits, Sing-A-Lodeon by Lone Star.
It's a collection of CDs from Polygram with the latest hits from such artists as Tears for Fears and John Cougar Mellencamp.
Magna Bikes with the power to climb and accelerate. Bikes for today. Why not try the next generation of bicycles? Magna, the hot new name on the street.
Casio's MS-210 music system features profound sound technology. It has a digital synthesized tuner and wireless remote control. Think Casio for the finest audio system.
Get big performance from a small package with Zenus Remote Control 9-inch color TV, perfect for the kitchen or bedroom. This Zenus features an earphone and 178-channel tuning.
When the remote control continues.
Remote Control will be right back after this.
Welcome back to the only game show that wears clean underwear. Remote Control.
All right, we're back. Same deal. Points are double. The Mardi Gras Madness continues. We come to you live from Bourbon Street. In control is Mitch. He has the lead with, Mitch has the lead with 55 points. 30 points at Dave. Tim, little too much Jägermeister there, Tim. All right, go ahead, Dave.
Ken, give me channel number 8.
Channel number 8. After these messages, questions about commercials, without which none of us would be here. 10 points.
Questions about the, you were getting the girls to describe on Bourbon Street.
Oh, will you please? Enough. How'd you find out about that?
I knew it, though.
10 points. Give me the name of the car that Ricardo Montalban always promoted and say it the way he used to. Mitch.
Cordova, Lincoln Mercury.
Yeah, it was in there. I don't know what you padded it with, but 10 points. What, Mom?
That contestant Tim isn't wearing his hat.
Keeps falling off, Mom.
Tim.
Thank you, Tim.
Thank you, Mom. Go ahead, Mitch.
Okay, let's go. Let's stick with Channel 8.
Okay, continuing after these messages, 20 points. What sensitive lunatic billionaire was the model for TV's newest singing, dancing California Raisin? Mitch.
Howard Hughes?
No. Tim.
Michael Jackson.
Yes, 20 points.
Yeah.
Very good. Tim's on the board.
Right.
Very good, very good. Congratulations, Tim.
All right. I want to stay with that, Ken.
Okay, stay with after these messages. But first, I'm going to teach you how to make applesauce. You got about 15 people coming over. You don't have much time. Applesauce. Just a little Ken Paul Cajun tip for you. Here we go, 30 points. Name the shrimpy, slightly effeminate, tough guy who dared to knock an ever-ready battery off his shoulder. Dare you to knock it off. Mitch.
Robert Conrad.
30 points, Mitch. Go ahead.
Okay, Ken Prudhomme, I think I'm going to go to Channel 1.
Channel 1, cartoons. Here we go, 10 points. How come George Jetson's maid never ate lunch? Tim.
She's a robot.
Right, 10 points. 30, 30, 95. Tim, it's time for second place. Go ahead, Tim.
Stay with cartoons, Ken.
Okay, stay with cartoons. This time it's for 20 points. Let's say you're watching a cartoon in which a carnivorous vulgaris is being chased by an accelerating, incredible... Mitch.
Roadrunner.
Ooh, you should have listened to the whole thing. Name 2 characters that are involved. Dave.
Roadrunner and Wile E. Coyote.
Yes, 20 points. Go ahead, Dave. Moves you into second place.
All right, Ken. Channel number 3, please.
Channel number 3. It's a visit from Gunther, the world's most renowned animal training legend. Gunther Gable Billy. Happy Mardi Gras, Gunther.
How are you, Das Oberfuhrer?
Guten Tag.
Jenny, stop the show, because now I truly have a miracle of modern medicine. When I give the cue, these mollusks shall rise up into the air and sing, "Oh, when the saints go marching in." Ready? 1, 2, 3, yeah! Oh, when the saints go marching in. All right, we might have to sacrifice a couple of these babies to get the other ones going. Hang on a second.
Gunther!
What?
Don't! Can't eat that without hot sauce.
Oh,
Come here.
yeah.
Just a little touch of hot sauce. Mind if I join you?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, they're still kicking.
Come on. See, the other ones are starting to sing now. Listen, listen. Yeah. By the way, what band had a huge hit with their song about an equally deadly shellfish, the rock lobster?
That's Dave.
The B-52s.
Yes, Dave.
Hey.
Okay, Dave, what do you want to do? Oh, I'm sorry.
Das Oberfuhrer, I'll see you later at the clam shack.
Yeah, you know where to find me in the back booth.
That's right.
Head up. All right. You know what that means, don't you? It's time for me to read this card. Let's see if I... Would you hold this for me? You probably had one of these before. Hold it. Okay. Yeah. Here we go. 10 points. This, that, and the other thing. Time to play stripper, flipper, or Jack the Ripper. I'll spit out a clue, and you tell me which one of those categories it belongs to. Remember, stripper, flipper, Jack the Ripper. Let's have a clock. 10 points. Wears pasties. That's Mitch.
Stripper.
Yes, has a blowhole. Tim.
Flipper.
Yes. Is a homicidal maniac. Tim.
Jack the Ripper.
Yes. Is wet and clammy.
Flipper.
Dave. Yes. Terrorized England.
Jack the Ripper.
Yes. Can twirl tassels with no hands.
Stripper.
Yes, Mitch. Holds singles in a G-string. Tim.
Stripper.
Yes, 10 points there. And that's it. It's over. Throw the beads away. Turn in your coins. Tim must go. Bye, Tim. Nice game. All right, 115.90. Now you guys have a chance to bet all or some of your points on one final question, and here's the stuff you're going for.
This pyramid of light and sound truly excites all the senses. Whether the neon is pulsating with the music or glowing steadily, Cleo is the ultimate artistic statement in high fidelity by Cecina.
Are you ready to shred, blast through the powder, carve up the mountain, and catch some big air with this look freestyle snowboard? Look out!
The Baldwin Explorer EX12 keyboard offers piano and 15 other orchestral sounds, automatic rhythm and drums, and one-finger chords from Baldwin Piano and Organ Company.
The new RCA Pro Edit state-of-the-art camcorder with flying erase head, 8x power zoom lens, and high-speed shutter.
A trip to New Orleans. Stay at the Bourbon Orleans Hotel. Experience Southern hospitality among a 19th century restoration of the historic French Quarter of New Orleans at the historical Bourbon Orleans Hotel.
Okay, guys, here's your question. Close game, 115.90. At the conclusion of the Mardi Gras festivities, the streets of New Orleans are found to contain 1,200 gallons of spilled beer, 869 gallons of spilled liquor, 348 gallons of chemical disinfectant, and 3,422 gallons of assorted waste products. How many total gallons of liquid will have to be cleaned up before we can restore New Orleans to its former beauty? It'll be up here if you need to refer to it. And while these guys figure, it's the Mardi Gras dancers. I do believe I need a cold shower. Okay, here we go. Dave, Mitch, let's start with Dave. Dave, what do you got for me?
I got here 548.
548 is wrong.
Oh.
How much did you bet there, buddy?
I bet 90.
And that leaves you with nothing. We'll go to Mitch. Mitch, unless you did something incredibly stupid.
I bet I have 5,660.
No, the real answer was 5,839, but how much did you bet? This will determine it.
76.
And you are our winner with 39 points. And Dave, you gotta go home with your tail between your legs. Mitch, you are lying on this big metal thing as our Mardi Gras celebration continues. Mitch is on the wheel. This is my lovely wife, Jenny Prudhomme. Hello, dear.
I can't speak. I'm Canadian. You know that.
Yes. 10 TVs, 10 questions for each question you answer correctly there, Mitchy boy. You get a prize. The more you get right, the greater your chance of winning the grand prize. When we finish asking all 10 questions, we'll stop the wheel. We stop the wheel, your head lands on the grand prize screen, boom, you take home everything we talked about as well as this.
The Chevy S10 pickup. The hard-working, fun-loving compact pickup from Chevrolet that proves you don't have to be ugly to be tough. Always willing and proud to perform. That's the S10 pickup from Chevrolet.
Okay, Mitch, here's the deal today. I'll name a shameless TV bimbo. You tell me who plays that bimbo. Good luck. Number 1, Alex Carrington Colby.
John Collins.
Yes. 2, Kelly Bundy.
Christina Applegate.
Yes. Arnie Becker.
Corbin Benson.
Yes. Sue Ann Nivens.
Betty White.
Yes. Abby Ewing Sumner.
Donna Mills.
Yes. Jack Tripper. No, John Ritter. Erica Kane.
Suzanne Lucci.
Yes. Blanche Devereaux.
Rue McClanahan.
Yes. Lance Cumsum.
Lorenzo Lamas.
Yes. Sandra Clark.
Jack A.
Yes. You did very well, Mitch. Unless the Mardi Gras gods are against you, you'll probably take it home. Looks good, buddy boy. Yeah! You did it. You won a Chevy truck, a trip to New Orleans. You also win a camcorder, a keyboard, a snowboard, a 9-inch color TV and audio system, a bicycle CD. Sing along. You're going to New Orleans. You can drive your Chevy truck. Happy Mardi Gras. That's remote control.
A
All contestants receive British Knights athletic shoes for fashion and function. Get off on the right foot. Get off in BKs. Wherever you go, whatever you do, British Knights are the right move for you. Take control of your life with Zenith's multi-brand remote control. It operates most brands of TVs, VCRs, and cable converters from the company that invented the remote control, Zenith. Losing contestants receive Start Up the Juice with a mouth-watering fruit taste of Starburst fruit juice available in original, tropical, and California fruit flavors. Starburst starts up the juice. Promotional consideration provided by Spencer Gifts, your headquarters for fashion watches. See the latest looks at great prices. A constantly changing assortment to fit with your lifestyle. Introducing the new 1006 skincare system. Leaves skin soft, smoother, and more beautiful. Now there's nothing complex about a beautiful complexion. Catch the next great California wave. LA Gear Jeanswear. Jeans, skirts, overalls, and jackets with embroidered logos and chenille patches. LA Gear Jeanswear does a lot more than fit.